Okay, that completes our section on dependency injection with Spring. So maybe you understand where my hat comes from now, the @bean annotation. So a lot of fun stuff that we can do with dependency injection. I know you're still a little fresh to it. You will understand the basics of dependency injection. It eventually is going to become second nature. You'll prefer to code with dependency injection because it is such a powerful tool to use. Now, in this section, we're going to start talking about RESTful web services. So REST is a way of providing web services. You're able to do CRUD type applications where you are creating, updating, reading, and deleting entities or entity information inside some type of database. So REST is a protocol that's widely used in the industry. There's no formal standard for it, so that there's a lot of opinionated things on REST. I'm going to show you the common industry practices of what RESTful services are, the underlying technologies, how HTTP is used to provide RESTful services. It is use a lot of concepts from HTTP, so it's important to understand HTTP as we start doing RESTful services. And then we're going to be focused on the mechanics of building RESTful services in this section of the course, because it is very important to understand what we're doing. A lot of people think that if we just throw up a simple service, we're doing REST. And often you will see REST done wrong. To be blunt, you'll see that done frequently wrong. However, the industry as a whole has really matured, and there's a lot of common practices which we will explore in this section of the course. And then next, we will take a look at Project Lombok. This is a great tool. I use it all the time. It saves you a lot of boilerplate code, a lot of code that you don't have to write. You can just use some annotations, and it will generate it. So we'll explore Project Lombok fully, and then we're going to actually start using Spring MVC to start building out the RESTful services. So Project Lombok is important to get going. I want to introduce that early because it is such a great tool to use, and then we'll start building them. But in this section of the course specifically, we are going to be taking a really close at what is REST and how we implement RESTful services before we actually start going and coding it.